What you are about to see could lead to catastrophic engine failure in any car. This was discovered as part of a routine service. The yellow slime-like substance is brought about by water in the engine, but hold on. This is generally associated with head gasket failure, but don't get too excited. There are a number of things to check before you come to this expensive conclusion. 1. Are you losing coolant from the expansion bottle? 2. Is the engine running poorly? 3. Is the engine oil grayish in color? If the answer to these is no, then it's probably down to condensation buildup. This is due to lots of short runs and the engine not getting hot enough for long enough. A good run at temperature will evaporate the fluid that will naturally form, particularly in colder seasons. The best thing to do at this stage is to clean the oil filler neck. Clean the oil filler cap. Replace the oil and filter. This will also allow you to check the condition and color of your old oil. Black is good, gray or milky sadly is not. A full engine flush will also remove any excess moisture from the sump if you feel it to be excessive. The filler cap is always first to show signs of any moisture, as it's the highest point of the engine. There are other factors to a failing head gasket, but these are the most likely to show up first. This particular engine is commonly used for short journeys, so I'm quite convinced as everything checks out that the problem purely is condensation. My wife used to serve up something similar to this on our puddings. She called it custard. Hence she is now my ex-wife. It's also worth checking the engine breather pipe is not blocked. This too would also lead to possible condensation buildup. This oil is normal condition. The oil in a diesel tends to be deep black in color. This is due to carbon deposits. The color is spot on for a petrol engine. Replace the oil and filter. Going forward regularly, check the filler cap for moisture. Check the level. I hope this gives you some peace of mind.